Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Raihan, a freelancer and content creator. If you want to grow your Pinterest account, so this video for you. Currently, I have monthly views 40k and followers 114. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can grow your audience. I will show you my analytics, how I got 42k impressions in the last 30 days and my best performing pins, and I will show you also my analytics. If you want to grow your Pinterest account for your business, for your affiliate marketing, Pinterest is one of the best platform for your affiliate marketing. So most of the affiliate marketers business, that's mean the affiliation business or any website, that's mean Amazon affiliate, any high ticket affiliate marketing. So most of the time you will see their Pinterest account really works great for a affiliate marketer or want to grow your any kind of business. Pinterest is the one of the best platform, and I think it's the easiest platform for any other social media platform. And you can upload your pin, and you can also upload your videos. Okay, so it's really amazing and great features. And here you can see this is a totally Amazon affiliation, so you can increase your sale by Pinterest pins. All right, so let's check this email. I got this email 2 days ago. All right, here you can see your pin starts here. So these three pins are working really amazing, and last 30 days I got 42,554 impressions and 860 plus saves, followers 0. So don't worry about this, so it will increase day by day. And pins, that's mean the people who loves and they are saved their pin. Okay, so let's check the Pinterest dashboard. So how we can check this? So just go to your analytics section and click on overview, and in this overview you can see the last 30 days and last 30 days impressions. Most of the engagements, saves, total audience are decreasing, but it will increase, no problem. So last 7 days it will impressions is higher. So the consistency is the key to success any of the social media platform, I believe this. Check last 90 days, saves increased 2.65k saves. It's really amazing, and I'm really satisfied. Engagements, impressions, saves, very nice. And you can check the performance, impressions, outbound clicks, saves. You can check the all the saves. Here you can see this saves. I love the analytics, really great. So if you want to promote your any business links, so Pinterest is one of the best platform, I think. So you can imagine this, if one pin's going to viral, so your account will be very fast growing. Also, this is the overview. Also you can, so if you want to check the audience insight, click on this audience insights. This is my account, make money online, work from home jobs, side hustle ideas. Audience size 40k people, last 14 days, and ages. This analytics is really great for also the Pinterest advertiser, because if you want to grow your business through Pinterest ad, so it can help you a lot, like the Facebook analytics or Google analytics. Okay, you can see the ages between 35 to 44, and the most of the users female. It's okay. And the countries, that's the best, United States and 63%, and users 64% from iPhone. So you can check your analytics and you will be surprised. And also you can check the all Pinterest users. So this is the all Pinterest users, mostly iPhone and Android mobile is the highest maximum, and second is iPhone. So it's the difference between all Pinterest users all over the world, and this is for my account. The analytics is varies. Okay, also you can check the trends. Okay, so it's really great. If you want to check the trending Pinterest, so you can create those kind of pins, and the chances is really high to go viral. Here you can see the Valentine's Day nails. It's really weekly change and monthly change. Here you can see Valentine's nail, Valentine's Day, because upcoming 14 February Valentine's Day. So that's why the most of the keyword will be like this, different kind of parties and the Valentine gifts. And also you can check top monthly trends, growing trends, seasonal, top yearly trends, and the discovered trends in the United States. So I think if you are a marketer or if you are a business owner, so you must check your Pinterest analytics, because if you want to add using Pinterest, and if you want to promote your products, so this could be really helpful for your business. All right, and if you want to grow and if you want to make viral pins, so use this kind of keywords. Okay, so I have a plan. I will make a playlist where you can get the full playlist, full videos, how we can create Pinterest account, how we can grow, how we can create from Canva, also how to keyword research, how to SEO, and how we can promote the Amazon affiliate links. That's mean how we can make money from Amazon. So I have a plan and I will make a total videos. So if you love this channel's content, so please don't forget to subscribe my channel, because I make videos those can help you. So no more today, I will come back with another tutorials. So have a good day. Tata, bye bye.